Hi, welcome to the Matos Law Firm. Come on in. We're here where the Matos magic happens at Matos Law Firm. We are located in Belmar. What I love the most about this office is this beautiful view. Look at this. I can see Target, Chick-fil-A. Okay, just kidding. I can see all the stores, but the view is really that way. Matos Law Firm started 8 years ago, June of 2016. I was working in my basement with my $200 laptop, but I had a big dream. It seemed like it was going to be a disaster, but the good thing is that when you don't know how hard things are, everything is easy. I wanted to build a law firm that served the Latino community in Colorado. I wanted to provide superior legal services to the Latinos in Colorado, and we're doing great with that goal. Come on over, let me show you a little bit more about the Matos Law Firm. This is our main conference room. We have a lot of sitting space, and the reason why we do that is because a lot of our clients really like coming with their family members, and we want to make sure that when people come over, they feel relaxed, they're not worried about their family members, and if they need privacy, they can always sit in the lobby area. Over here, we have some free things for clients. When people come over, I always want them to feel welcome. I'm not here to be average or to provide an average legal experience. We always want to exceed people's expectations. Another thing that I really love about this office is our big kitchen. Sometimes you just need a break and we come here, make our lunch. We always have plenty of snacks for our team. Coffee, of course you need coffee, energy drinks, water, frozen lunches, just in case that we forgot our lunch at home. This is our second conference room. Over here, we usually end up meeting with clients only when the first conference room is taken. A lot of times what we're doing back here is having team meetings. This room is also where we do our mediations and depositions. We film videos. You may recognize this beautiful painting from a lot of the videos that we make. I love having this second conference room because in the past we only had one conference room and we were playing that shuffle game. Walking down the hallway, and we have beautiful offices. We are hoping to hire 2 amazing attorneys in 2025. If that's you, your office is ready. We don't have a lot of decor, but we have our core values on the wall. When it was just me, it was easy for me to know who I am and how I wanted to serve our clients. But as we get more team members, we decided that it was important that everybody knew what the values of the law firm is, so that even if I'm not the person representing a client, I can assure you that all of our team members live by the same core values. Hustle. You know, as an immigrant, I understand the value of hustle. Life is what you make it. You can wait for people to give you opportunities, or you can go out there and make your own opportunities. That's what hustle is. As a personal injury law firms, clients really depend on us to get them the best settlement possible, and sometimes the law can be tricky, and you need a lawyer who has hustle. The second core value is a will to learn. All of our team members are constantly growing. If you're not growing, you're dying. A lot of our team members are promoted. The longer they're here, the more promotions they get. But each level requires a different level of knowledge, and that's why all of us in this law firm truly value growth. Personal accountability, we're all about the accountability. We're not about the excuses. We don't do that in this office. If there's an issue, we move really fast to resolve it, and we leave the excuses out of the door. Taking care of people. Without this core value, there will be no Matos Law Firm. Why does a 28-year-old lawyer with a lot of competition with, all the law firms with big billboards and commercials, and not necessarily the most experienced lawyer in town, ends up building something like Matos Law Firm? This is the secret weapon, taking care of people, because no matter what happens, we always have one rule that we go by, and it's taking care of people. And when you have this in the forefront, your job becomes really easy. And finally, making a difference. Again, we're not here to be average. I'm always thinking, how can we be number one? I want to make sure that as a law firm, we're not just here for us, but we actually want to change the legal industry. We want to change how the legal industry is perceived, how personal injury lawyers are perceived, how female attorneys are perceived, and that's why we have this here, because we want to remind ourselves that we're not here just to have an average day. We're here to make a difference in Colorado. This is where the magic happens. It's a big law firm, but really what makes it big is not the space, it's the people who work here.